Hello ladies and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine and today I'm feeling a little bit bad. Sorry if I sound a little bit weird. Each year I do last minute Halloween costume ideas, looks, outfits and so on, which you can usually find and create from your closet. And it seems like you really love these videos, that you really like it, that they are really helpful. Each year they kind of got viral once again, not like really viral but viral. So I keep doing them and trying to come up with more outfits and looks. And this year I specifically thought that Petite women are going to inspire me and we can just turn up as our favorite icons. If you have like, I don't know, last minute invite or you don't want to spend money on anything, I just want to inspire you and show you how you can create and find looks and outfits and kind of costumes out of what you have in closet. You don't need to spend money each year on like cheap costumes on Amazon or Shein or anything like that. You can just be creative and find out them yourself, and then if you want to tune them up a little bit, make them a little bit better and even looking more like a costume, then you can get some special glasses, wigs, whatever it is that you need. I came up with like 5 outfits or looks on 5 people that you can recreate. So let's start the video. So first icon, Ariana Grande, is the fellow Petite, and also this video is going to show you which ones are Petite celebrities and so on, so it's like helpful in all the ways. Ariana Grande, I think, has such an iconic look, and I think it's kind of written in the stars, it's written in history, and even if she changes the style now, it doesn't matter, it's still her like iconic look. So you will need over the knee boots or really high boots, or if you don't have them you can get like over the knee socks at least to kind of imitate that. Then you need oversized hoodie, sweater or anything like that. If you don't have one, get it from your boyfriend. And then the high ponytail and then the wing eyeliner. That's what you can recreate with this, and I suggest you do or see their makeup tutorials or something, because doing the makeup properly as that star, it can really help you also look a lot more like that person and people will understand it better. Small disclaimer, why I'm also doing this video, because in my at least experience, and if you're in maybe, I don't know, state or country or whatever, maybe, or you have a friend group that don't really celebrate Halloween, like a big huge parties that you like totally plan like months ahead, and you plan your costumes and you DIY them or whatever it is. If you don't have those, because I have never had parties like that, the only Halloween parties I had, they were kind of last minute things, last minute ideas, many times in bars or something. You don't want to like walk around in some weird costumes, and usually everyone was just like really with like small makeup, kind of something like really small they added or changed. That's how I came up with this, that because those parties are usually the ones I went to and I see around me. So yeah, these just really are nice if you don't want to be like the crazy Dracula or something. So the next one, Sabrina Carpenter. Sabrina Carpenter is the new added person in this year that I recreated. I didn't have like really sparkly mini skirts or mini dress type of ways. Like her outfits are really unique and really pop star stage kind of. I don't understand why women nowadays don't understand that you could wear pants. I kind of don't see it as art at all. I see it also, don't see it anything like really iconic or special. Everyone wears just bodysuits and underwear on the stage, and I don't understand what is with that, like what's happening, why they don't wear like actual amazing creative kind of clothing or dress or whatever it is. I just don't get it. That's that. But I did find this cute outfit. It includes glasses, includes like black top. I just had this bodysuit, so I wore that. Then like kind of a balloon skirt. It's really trendy this year, but I had like a tennis skirt and I have a balloon skirt, so I used that. You just need to be that way creative. That socks and shoes and the bag. And obviously here, this is a great for blonde women, like a great outfit, because then you don't need anything else and it just will look more like Sabrina Carpenter. And if you're not, just get a wig. Next one is not really a Petite, but it is Cruella. Just Cruella again is something you can dress up from your closet, especially from the last Cruella's movie. So kind of layer up like weird different outfits, use black and white, use leather, use tulle, all like really exaggerated layers, I would say. And then you can do the makeup like similar to Cruella, and again, if you want, you can get wig if you wanted to actually look like Cruella, and voila, you have Cruella. If you have like curly short hair, then you already can make your hair really looking like Cruella like. I love playing with Cruella outfits, so I kind of create now Cruella outfits every single year kind of. Next one is Emily in Paris. It's new season out, so Emily in Paris is the way to go, I guess. And yeah, and Emily in Paris again is something that you can just really recreate using colorful prints, colorful bags, over the top Parisian French kind of style. Obviously use Google, take what you can get. I just used like normal beret that I had and recreated this black and white look that I could from my closet, and voila, Emily in Paris. And last but not least, years ago I recreated Carrie Bradshaw like iconic TV show's opening intro kind of look and outfit that she had, which is white tulle skirt and kind of shirt or tank top or bodysuit on the top. And this outfit came up only because I literally had the white skirt, which is not exactly the one she had. Like I will need a shorter one. She had like more like ballet kind of skirt, and I had like, but anyways, it's really similar. And then I had like actual the same color kind of top. So that's why I recreated this look, and I don't have the top anymore because I didn't really wear it as much, so I got rid of it. And that's why I couldn't actually do like this video and recreate it in the real life video. Again, the same Carrie Bradshaw, she has so many amazing dresses and outfits that you can just check Google and see what you have in your closet and recreate. See which outfits you can recreate. That's how I usually create outfits and looks for Instagram, and I do these like celebrity outfits or whatever, Halloween looks. I just look what I have now, I have in my closet, and I look either celebrities, personalities that I like, and see if I can recreate something, or if I don't like them, just some popular ones, and see whatever. That's how I came up, for example, with a lot of Kardashian outfits and looks as well on my TikTok and Instagram. I don't really like Kardashians at all, but I just had similar kind of clothing, so I thought, oh, let's do this one because some people like them for some reason. Anyway, that's that. These are the 5 outfits. Let me know if you love these videos. Maybe I can do more, maybe I can do something not Halloween related, just do them, continue doing them and recreate more looks. And yeah, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I'm so thankful to you, and give me please some requirements, not requests. Give me some requests, some questions, whatever, in the comment section, so I can recreate and do that in or answer you in video format. And thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.